Special shout out to Sakari Costaniela Serrano. Ayan, to my best friend there in Canada. So, how are you now? So, you have now 350 subscribers and you joined in YouTube 8 years ago. Wow, 8 years ago. And you have 350 subscribers already. So, Sakari Costaniela Seriano. So, I have special something for you. I will show you my special something that I'm going to show you. Here. Oh, so thank you so much for your support to my channel, Sakari, and please say hello to your mother and father and your cousins, your friends and relatives uh, inside and out your home. So I am so happy. Thank you so much for your support to my channel. So last Saturday you start to support my channel uh, through viewing my live stream. So you are very welcome to my channel, to my YouTube channel, and you are welcome also to visit us here in Philippines anytime if you want. Ayan. So thank you so much, Sakari, for your support. So I will support your channel also. Uh, Serrano. Mark Serrano. Ayan, thank you very much for your organic support, and don't worry, I will support your channel also. And now I'm going to view your channel here. Uh, so to all my subscribers, so please support Sakari Constaniela. Ayan. Constaniela. He is a Canadian citizen. So one of my new subscriber and new best friend here in my channel. Okay? So please, please, please support, please support Sakari Constaniela Serrano. Yan. Sakari Constaniela Serrano. He is one of my best friend from Canada. So please support guys to Sakari Constaniela. He has 350 subscribers already and 154 uploaded videos in his channel. So his channel is more on online games. Ayan. Online games. And also he has dancing video. He loves dancing and playing online gaming. Ayan. So that's his channel, guys. So don't forget guys to subscribe Sakari, and if you are first time to my channel, so please do subscribe also to my channel, guys. So I'm Noel Orong, your Mr. Wingbin in Pinas. Don't forget subscribe.